And while I'm at this, I need to quickly point out, if you are a Jamaican living overseas, if you're a Jamaican living anywhere, with a Jamaican passport that has the wrong spelling of your name, or when you got your passport back, it came back with the wrong name, tell them right away. We have a very nasty habit, and this annoys me so much, of using documents that have the wrong name. It's like we're afraid to go back to any body of authority. Swear to God, I'm having New York flashbacks. For a second, I was having New York trauma. All right, so if you have a document with the wrong name, tell the people them so the document have on the wrong name and don't use it. I don't understand why we're so afraid to go back and say this wrong. Or we're standing at the desk and they wrote our name wrong. I want to tell them say the wrong name. Next thing was school with license come back with the wrong name, driver's license, nursing certification, everything I come back with the wrong name because we're afraid to tell them say the name they put my document wrong. Tell them if your name is spelled wrong. In the case of the passport, I think you need to let them know within a year of receiving the passport that the name is wrong for them to fix it at no cost to you. You have a year to let them know that the name on the passport is wrong. So this gentleman has the passport, probably been 6 or 7 years now with the wrong name. When you're in public, the public is always there getting into your video. All right, so back to me being annoyed about us knowing that the name is wrong on our documents and not fixing it. We just continue to use it. It's like names are not serious. We have only one name. Any different spelling makes a different name. It's one name, and that's the name we should use on everything. We should be vigilant to ensure that anybody we give our name, write it down correctly, and that our documents come back with the correct name. Anyway, so the gentleman has the wrong name on his passport and the correct name on his birth certificate. This is most important. As long as your birth certificate has the correct name on it, you simply just have to apply for another passport. The 1 year is up, so you will have to pay $200 to the government for them to fix this document. That is if it's not expired as yet. So 6 years in, you realize the name is wrong, or 6 years in, you're having a problem with it. I know you decide you're going to fix it. You're going to have to apply for a new passport. As long as the birth certificate has the correct name, you're perfectly fine. Just include a letter explaining how the passport came to be different from your birth certificate. There's no penalty for not turning it in. It's going to be a replacement, not a renewal, if you're doing it before the 10 years is up. If you want to keep the wrong name until the 10 years, then you can pay for a regular renewal. But I never advise keeping a wrong name, not even for 1 year, not even for a day. If the name wrong, tell them to the name wrong right away, and they will make a new passport free of charge. I'm Gail here in Madrid, and I'm going to see how I can get a tuk-tuk ride to go do a tour of the city until 5 o'clock. I meet my other tour group so we can have our first Spanish dinner. All right, thanks for watching.